Imagine starting your day, sipping coffee, checking your inbox, only to find an email saying someone has compromising videos of you. The sender threatens to release them unless you pay. It's a frightening moment. This scenario is known as sextortion, and unfortunately, it's becoming increasingly widespread. But you're not helpless. Welcome to our guide from Blackmail.HelpLine on how to protect yourself from sextortion emails. Sextortion and phishing emails. Sextortion scams sent via email are becoming more frequent. These messages are designed to blackmail you by generating fear and pressuring you to send money. The emails often claim to possess sensitive photos, videos, or private data, and they threaten to expose this unless payment is made. Even when the claims are false, the goal is to cause panic and provoke a quick, emotional response. Unfortunately, many people fall for the trap, losing money or personal peace in the process. Understanding how these scams operate is the first step to staying calm and avoiding costly mistakes. How to protect yourself from sextortion emails. Awareness and early action are key to protecting yourself. Here's what you should do. Report the incident. Contact the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, and file a report. Also, notify your local law enforcement agency. Notify your bank. If you've sent money through a bank transfer, gift card, or credit card, contact the provider right away to report the fraud. You may be able to halt or reverse the payment. Place fraud alerts. Reach out to the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, to place a fraud alert on your credit file. If personal data was involved, consider filing a report for identity theft. Assess the message. Review the email carefully to determine how much legitimate personal information the sender has. This can guide your next steps. Change your passwords. If there's any suggestion that your accounts are compromised, change your passwords immediately. Use strong, unique passwords and activate two-factor authentication where available. Scan your devices. If the message includes claims of computer or file access, consult a cybersecurity expert to check for malware or remote access tools. Remove anything suspicious. Monitor your accounts. Keep a close eye on your financial accounts and credit activity for the next few months. If you notice anything unusual, report it to your bank without delay. Talk to someone. This kind of threat can take an emotional toll. Speak to a trusted friend or seek professional support. You don't have to go through it alone. What to do if you're a victim of sextortion via email. Have you been targeted through email or even via platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, or WhatsApp? Blackmail.HelpLine's channel offers guidance with over 50 hours of helpful content, including prevention tips and actionable solutions for managing the crisis. Whether you're looking for protection strategies or need immediate help, our videos provide practical advice to empower victims. If you're being blackmailed via email, stay composed and avoid reacting impulsively. Do not respond to or pay the scammer. Preserve all communications, emails, screenshots, timestamps. Report the incident to your local authorities as soon as possible. Our services. If you or someone you know is experiencing sextortion, reach out to Blackmail.HelpLine. Our team has deep expertise in tracking down individuals behind these threats. We specialize in evidence collection and assisting law enforcement in holding online criminals accountable. With over a decade of experience, we are dedicated to digital safety and victim protection. Our investigators utilize advanced forensic techniques, including IP tracing and social engineering methods, to identify perpetrators. We also coordinate with payment processors such as Bitcoin, MoneyGram, and Western Union to counteract the anonymity that often shields these criminals. You'll receive a comprehensive report detailing all the evidence collected to support your case. Conclusion. Sextortion emails are a serious digital threat, but with the right actions, you can protect yourself. Knowing how to respond and where to turn for help makes all the difference. If you ever find yourself a target, Blackmail.HelpLine is ready to assist.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.